Build your own AI assistant, a MinStudio.ai review and tutorial made with AI. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of no-code AI with a platform called MinStudio.ai. If you've ever dreamed of building your own AI assistant or automating tasks with artificial intelligence, but coding seems like a foreign language, then this video is for you. What is MinStudio? MinStudio is an all-in-one AI builder that lets anyone, regardless of technical background, create custom AI applications. Think of it like Legos for AI. You drag and drop pre-built components and customize them to fit your needs. Getting started, this is easier than you think. The first thing that impressed me about MinStudio was how easy it was to get started. The platform offers a variety of pre-built templates to jumpstart your creativity. These templates cover a wide range of uses, from generating content like blog posts and social media captions to creating AI assistants for customer service or automating data entry. Let's walk through building a simple AI assistant together. I found a template for a customer support FAQ bot. This template already has the basic structure laid out, including prompts and responses for common customer inquiries. Customizing your AI assistant. The beauty of MinStudio lies in its customization options. Within the template, I could edit the existing prompts and responses, or add entirely new ones. For example, I could add a prompt for, "What is your return policy?" and tailor the AI's response to my specific business. Monetization options. One of the interesting features of MinStudio is the ability to monetize your AI creations. Once you've built your AI assistant, you can share it with others or even sell it on the MinStudio marketplace. This opens doors for creative entrepreneurs to build and sell custom AI solutions. Beyond templates, building from scratch. While templates are a great starting point, MinStudio also allows you to build AI applications from scratch. This gives you complete control over the structure and functionality of your AI. Of course, this requires a bit more technical understanding of AI concepts, but MinStudio offers tutorials and resources to help you get on your feet. Adding your own data. One of the most powerful features of MinStudio is the ability to train your AI on your own data. This can be anything from text files and emails to customer reviews and social media data. By feeding your AI your specific information, you can significantly improve its accuracy and tailor its responses to your unique needs. Final thoughts, a powerful tool for everyone. Overall, I was very impressed with MinStudio. Whether you're a complete AI novice or have some technical experience, MinStudio offers a user-friendly platform to build powerful AI applications. The wide range of templates, customization options, and monetization potential make MinStudio a valuable tool for anyone looking to leverage the power of AI. Special thanks to the following for helping create this video: the amazing team at MinStudio.ai, and the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. And let's not forget, the super smart smartphones that helped us film and edit this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials, and let us know in the comments below what kind of AI applications you'd love to build. Word count, 669. Note, this video and description were created with the assistance of AI and some very helpful smartphones. While AI did a great job of providing structure and ideas, the overall content and direction reflect human input and creativity.